This is the day that I've been dreaming about for about 15 years. With Mac, George, and Andrew, and spin it around and show off Elliot.
Hey.
So today, which is the 24th of November, 2018, Saturday after Black Friday, which we're gonna pull out that black 77 Bronco right there. Zoom in on it, Elliot. Zoom in on it. But we have to do a few things to resurrect the Bronco. We have a few obstacles in our way. Why don't you show the people our obstacles? We've got a vintage four-door Cougar, which is rare. We've got a few trees in our way and a few other Fords in the graveyard here. So today we've got to get after them. I think what we're going to do first is pull the Cougar out of the way, cut some trees down, then pull the Bronco out and hopefully get it loaded. So that's what we're going to start with. So hope it all goes well, but you never know, things could arise halfway through our process. If they do arise, you'll be the first to know. Right now. All right. He's been frozen in time for who knows how long. Atta boy, take her out. Keep going, keep going, keep going. That's good. Hey! So far, plan one kind of worked. All right, step two, we're gonna cut some of these trees out of the way. We got Mac Brown, he's gonna be doing the trimming. So we gotta do is make sure we're safe. We gotta have our eye and ear protection. So
looks like the blade is up on that Bronco.
well, that'll be good. All right. That didn't work out. It hit the car.
I think if we get a chain, let's pull the side, pull the front end there. Yeah, pull the front end out. We want to put all this stuff down. The chain is really dull. We have another chain.
Hopefully we'll be up to step 3 here pretty soon, hooking up, winching out. So, Elliot, why don't you walk around the back and show them how much the tree has grown into the little black Bronco. If you see, this is a all black 77 Sport with you Bronco fans will know, dual tanks. And let's open up the crypt and we'll see what we've got here. All right, I see we've got holes through the floor. an automatic V8 302. It's a radio equipped Bronco with this rear seat delete. A little bit unique to that world. Vinyl floor, and it's the first time that door's been open in, who knows, 15 years maybe. Door still closes.
What about the cool cougar?
We're gonna be able to winch it over.
No, we're gonna hit it with the bed.
No, you're fine. Tilt it. Other way. You gotta come down, watch underneath you until this touch. There you go.
Should we like winch it out?
You came late to the party.
I did. That's the whole. That went way easier.
They keep the Bronco from moving the tires.
Rear tires.
Keep going. Walk around, make it look like there's action going. Back off away so you're not too close. Keep going. Quick, you gotta give people a moment to digest things. Like, look at that hole that it's been sitting in. Wow. Good. All right. Thanks to Max Winchen, George's vote of confidence,
Moral support.
and moral support, Andrew, all the hard work he put into it, and Uncle Sean's vote of confidence that it was going to go on with no hitches. It's on. 3 easy steps. Bronco Resurrection 2018 with the Snowplow Edition. Black Friday, but it's Saturday. We are gonna take it and see what we can happen with it. All right. Thanks for watching. Hey, we did it! 2 years to the day. It's back.
This afternoon, under clear skies, northwest winds.
So what do y'all think? I think it's awesome. 1977 Bronco Sport, all black, all redone, all finished, all ready for you guys to come out and take a look here at Brown's. It's going to be here for a few weeks. Our friends at Gateway Bronco did a beautiful job restoring this. It was, as you guys remember, if you watched 2 years ago, when we pulled it out of the lower lot that it was sitting for 20 years, we had to cut trees down, and there it is. I can't wait to show it to you. As you know, this is a 77 Bronco, 1 year only, with the dual gas tanks with the flapper doors. This is the last year they made this body style. This Bronco has the mag style wheel covers. A little bit tough to find. But we did it. This Bronco also has the bumperettes on the front, has the chrome trim around. The grill's painted argent. Guys at Gateway did a fantastic job. Can't say enough about the quality of the work that they do. Every piece of chrome, trim, moldings, glass, everything on this Bronco is basically brand new or refinished. It's a complete new body, new doors, new roof. They can do it all for you there. If you need anything, one thing, or all things, they can do it all. This Bronco has the outside spare tire cover. The big receiver hitch. And take a look at the inside, guys. I thought they did a fantastic job. Check it out. You remember what it looked like earlier in the video. We went with some red and black houndstooth with the parchment. We put a tilt wheel in it. It's got a retro radio with AM, FM, Bluetooth. Installed air conditioning in it to make it a little more comfortable when you're driving on those hot days with black top, black sides. We put a roll bar in it just to be a little safer. These old Broncos were not known to be the safest vehicles on the planet. Believe it or not, it has heated seats. Put heated seats, and this is leather. I thought they did a great job. I love it. Come on, let's check under the hood. No more prop rod. We got the strong arms holding it up. It's got a brand new crate motor, rebuilt transmission. All the drivetrain is completely brand new, rebuilt drive shafts. Power steering, power brakes, front disc brakes. It runs and drives as good as any 77 Bronco could. It's literally all original drivetrain on it and the differentials, and it's not been modified in any way, but it drives really good. I'm surprised how well these 77s drove back when they were new. That's why people kept them, because I think they just enjoyed the way they drove and what they could do for them. As you will see in this video in the earlier part, it had a snowplow on it, which we're in the middle of maybe restoring it, but we're going to enjoy it right now without the snowplow. I don't know, it might not be. It's maybe a little too nice to put a snowplow on. Well, we're going to put it inside the showroom here at Brown Sills and Leasing in Guttenberg, Iowa. You guys can come on in, take a look at it. I don't think you'll be disappointed, and we'd love to show it to you. Thanks for watching.